Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to assign triple tap on your earbuds to activate game mode. Game mode, it is a special mode that working on low latency for delation. It will be cancel the delay of sounds from gaming actions. So how to activate that with the triple tap? It is very simple. You can simply assign that function by using Hey Melody application. Open your Play Store, search Hey Melody, then install the Hey Melody application. You can see here this is the icon. Okay, then open Hey Melody application. Give some permissions like locations, Bluetooth, and connect to the device. After connecting on device, you can see you will receive this kind of page, and you can see here there is options of device earbud controls. Select earbud controls, then select which side, left or right. Actually I'm selecting the left side, and you can see here there is option of single tap, double tap and triple tap. You can simply select which tap, and I'm selecting the triple tap. Then you can see here there is functions like none, previous, next track, voice assistant, game mode. Simply select game mode. Yeah, here you go. You can simply triple tap here to activate and deactivate the game mode. If you triple tap once, it will be activate. If you triple tap second time, that will be deactivate the game mode. So that is, and you can manually activate the game mode by opening this application, then select game mode and turn on that. It will be sync audio and video and reduce game lag for smoother experience. So it is a feature on this device. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.